morning, everybody. Almost afternoon. My hair, I gotta get this thing cleaned out. This thing stinks in here too. You'll see the seats. I think like animals were living in this thing. He was definitely using it for storage. You can tell it's just been sitting. It smells like it's been sitting. They'll wipe everything down. Like this thing needs that heavy detailing. Let's pop the trunk. Hook my battery charger up to it. Yeah, this is a 16, y'all. It's a DOHC. Hopefully nothing been in here chewing on the wires and shit on this thing. Everything seems to be good. It looks pretty good. I don't know, I didn't check, never checked the fluids. There's some in there, but obviously, you know, it's old. The gas, if there's any in here, it's probably rotten. Battery looks shot. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, I'll be in a minute. The battery definitely looks a hot mess. I don't know. Definitely gonna buy a new battery for this thing. What I'm wondering is why the positive is right here and it says negative right here, but the negative thing is right here. No, I'm wrong. What the hell? Alright, y'all skip that. I'm stupid. Negative is red. I'm tripping. Positive right here. What am I talking about? But yeah, anyways, this battery is gonna get replaced. Let's see if we can get the fuse box open without breaking the tab. I'm good for doing that. No, I'm not gonna be able to. I need a screwdriver to get it open. You see plenty of spiders. I don't know if y'all getting on the camera. Plenty of spiders was living in here. Let's check the oil. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's oil in there. It doesn't look too bad, but I'm pretty positive. I keep touching my camera with the oil, the dipstick. Pretty positive this thing will need some oil in there. Definitely will need some oil. Hopefully I didn't get it all over my camera. But we're thinking for sure that the battery will need to be changed. Hence it wasn't starting. You guys seen the lights come on in the previous video. This light came on. And you see these things are pretty dirty and hazy. This light came on. So we're going to get a new battery in here, hopefully today. And we're going to find out with the new battery what it does. And then we're going to get it cleaned up and everything. The inside cleaned up. It does, say before, it does need some new paint on there. You see it's been just sitting in the sun. Just been fading the crap out of the paint, so it's definitely sun faded. The clear coat is gone. Got some scrapage around here, like looks like it peeled off. It's definitely needs a fresh coat of paint. And around the bumper, the spoiler as well. This is all sun faded. Clear coat's peeled off. As well as the bumper is like really right there. Like this whole thing is peeled off. And this is not the GT model, but it's okay. Because it's still going to sound badass. Look at the pipes. Hopefully nothing's been living in them things. Those tips is nice. Yeah, the bumper is definitely scraped up and all that paint peeled. It's going to need a whole new painting. whole fresh coat of paint. So you guys, I'm not sure yet what I want to do. If we're gonna keep it, but like I said, it was intended on being a flip car. If so, maybe we wrap the thing. I mean, what you guys think? Definitely is some little, some not too bad, a little flaking, rusty right there. That will need a little bit of work. It's not as bad as the Sentra. The tires are pretty, oh no, the tires are not that good. Let's take care of that, but they don't feel too bad, but it's probably gonna new tires. The hubcap is flaking right there. It's peeled. Not too worried about that, but it definitely needs a bath, as you guys see. Thing is pretty freaking dirty and sitting. Gills is dirty. I like to call those gills because I be saying they look like a well, just like the well in the front. It's definitely nowhere near as bad as the Sentra. The Sentra's just all around bad on the body. I haven't been able to work on the Sentra. Now that bag is over here. Seriously, why everybody's trash like blowing in my yard? Like, it's annoying. I just haven't been able to do anything with the Sentra, but definitely need to get back on it because I love that car. Love that car. Yeah, this thing definitely needs a whole refreshing. And as you guys saw, this is a manual. So let's see if I get this back. This thing must be tight because it won't even go back. The cap don't even go back over it. Let me hook the charger up to it. And the wipers need painted. They're rusted and probably replaced. The arms just need a fresh paint. Alright, you guys. I got packages I gotta go get shipped out. I got packages I gotta package so it gets sent out. I'm not junk in here, y'all. Don't mind. Let's get this hooked up to it. You know what? You know what, guys? No. That's why it threw me off. No, I'm like, wait a minute. I know I'm not stupid. The negative is black, usually. Right? The negative is black. That's why I was thrown off. And the positive is red. Negative's usually black, but look at this. They did it opposite. Look at that. The negative is positive in here. I was like, what am I talking about? I was like, they're going to be like, oh, she don't know what you're talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's weird. Negative is usually, see, that's why we got thrown off last time. Because look, but they got the positive here. I'm like, did they hook it up wrong and put this over here? That don't make sense. And that's why. That is strange. Very strange. I was thrown off by that. Why is it opposite in here? Did Hyundai do that to be different? I mean, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below because I was like, hold up. Usually, I'm like, I know I'm not tripping. Negative is usually the black and the red is usually the positive. So in this sense, they made, that don't make sense. Because usually it's red to red, black to black. But in this sense, they did it this way. That shit's like, ugh, scary. Ooh, that shit, they over there popping made me jump, thinking I just popped something in the damn car. Alright, let's turn this joint on. I'm not feeling this one, y'all, like that anymore, because, I don't know. I might have to get a different one. The Stanley Jumper, does anybody else have this one? 1000 peak battery amps, 5 amps instant starting power, jump starting with 120 psi compressor. Do y'all have this one? Let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna buy another one. This one already done got scraped up already, but I'm gonna buy another one. Something much lighter. I don't need the compressor on the other one. And let me know what you guys think of this one. If you have it, what your thoughts are on it. I'm not sure. Like, this thing seems like it hasn't really done much for me, or has been much of a help, really. I don't know, you guys. Well, I'm gonna try to charge this thing up, and we'll go get a new battery hopefully today. Gotta clean this up, and I'll get back with you guys later on today. But let me know your thoughts on the Hyundai. Like, what do y'all think about this car on the Tiburon? We do have some bubbling right here on the paint right there, and it's starting to rust. It's a little soft right here. We can fix that right up. A little soft right there from sitting. Kind of mad about the bubbling, but a lot of cars start back here in the quarter panel. So yeah, but anyways, let me know what you guys think about it. Leave a comment. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. And I'll get back to you guys on the next part.